Hey students, this is your hints video for lesson 6.5, analyzing and sketching graphs. So you have several problems where you have sort of a complex, non-linear relationship, and you're trying to describe how that relationship between the two quantities changes over time. So I have number 7 here as an example. So first we see that we have a line segment, right? This part right here is a line segment. It's a straight line. So that is, it increases at a constant rate. When we see a straight line, that's a constant rate. Okay, then, use another color here, we have it flat. Okay, so that's where it stays constant. It's not increasing or decreasing. And then we just have a combination there. We have it increases at a constant rate again, then it stays constant. Then it increases at a constant rate again. So you're just going to sort of go back and forth between those two descriptions. Okay, and then I have number 11 for you as well. This is the length of your hair over time, and we see that first it is increasing at a constant rate as it's growing. So that's increasing at a constant rate. And then we see this break where it goes straight down and gets lower. So that's where you got a haircut. So at that point, it decreases instantly. Then it increases at a constant rate again. Then it decreases instantly again. Then it increases at a constant rate again. And you continue to have your hair growing and then getting cut. Okay, now we have problem 14. We're comparing two bowlers' averages during the bowling season. And we're just describing each bowler's performance. So Mike, we can see he's getting better over time. He starts lower, he's getting better. So it increases throughout the season. Now, it doesn't ask us to get more specific, but if we wanted to, we could say, well, it increases at a slow rate, and then it increases at a faster rate. So it increases at an increasing amount, an increasing rate. Mark's averages also get better from the beginning to the end. It does get higher, so he also increases. We see he starts increasing pretty quickly, and then our speed slows down a bit. So who has the greater average for most of the season? We're just looking to see which one, Mike or Mark, is higher throughout most of the season, and that would be Mark, right? Mark has a higher average through most of the season, but at the end of the season, Mike takes over and starts doing a little bit better. And the last one I have for you is, which sketch best represents the situation? So we have some different situations, and you're going to pick which graph makes the most sense. So when a car depreciates or loses value, the value decreases really, really quickly. We have a steep negative slope, and then it continues to be a negative slope, but it's less steep. So it's definitely not this one. That's showing an increasing value over time. And as we look at them, this is the one that shows first a steep slope and then a less steep slope. We could kind of draw it in a more linear way if it helps you sort of see how that slope is decreasing. The slope is negative, but the rate is decreasing.